Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put ads on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding ads to a Squarespace website involves a few steps depending on the type of ads you want to display. For example, if you're going to put in some Google AdSense, affiliate links, or other ad networks. Now, the most popular way to monetize websites is through ads, and the best platform to do that is with Google AdSense. Now, go to the Google AdSense website. If you haven't already, you might want to click the Get Started button. Sign up using your Google account and follow the prompts to create an account here. All right, so let me click the Get Started option. You see, you can earn on your site, which is going to be on Squarespace because millions of advertisers compete for your ad space. That means bigger money, more relevant ads, and more space for the ads. Now, ads optimized for mobile. Google can optimize the size of your ad units to fit your desktop or mobile automatically. And of course, you can add code to your site and Google will automatically display ads that are adapted to your site's layout. We will do all these in a few minutes. Now, the important thing is we need to click the Get Started button. All I have to do is provide the information. It could be any of your Google account. If you haven't already, just create the Create Account option if you haven't. You have three options: for personal use, for your child, or for work or business. If you click on the third option, what will happen is you choose the email that is best for your business. All right. After that, you would receive a verification email that you already have basically created your Google Sense account. Now, at the very bottom, you can select a region. For example, it's going to be North America, and select a category. All right. Like, is it going to be home and garden, news, laws, government, internet, and telecom, or entertainment, depending on your, say, for example, of business and industrial. Once you have set that up, this is very important. Go to the home page and you need to put some payment information for you. Okay, so enter the information if you haven't already. Just wait for it. Enter information. Because the payment information is very important at this point. All right. Now, you can see how your ads look on your site if you click on the Explore and put in your website here. You can also connect your site to AdSense, which is going to be required. But the most important thing is go to the ads here. You see, there's going to be an option that says Get a Code. Add one piece of your code to your Squarespace site and Google will automatically show ads in all the best places. All right. You have all three options: by site, by ad unit. You can display ads, in feed ads, in article ads, or multiplex ads. We have a separate video discussing the four options, but for now we're going to be choosing the recommended, which is going to be the display ads. You also have the global settings, which is, this is basically more of a advanced option for you, but I'm just showing you some of the ways for you to do it. By site, I'm going to click on Get Code. You see, place this code on every page across your site, wherever it is, especially on Squarespace, and Google will automatically show ads in the best places for you. All you have to do is copy, but you have to make sure that it'll take up to an hour for ads to appear on the page. All right, so you have to wait for it to add for me to see the effect. After copying this, I want you to switch to your Squarespace website builder. Once you are logged in, I want you to click on the account dashboard. And that would lead you to the websites that you are working. For example, I'm going to choose this one, how to link pages on Squarespace. I'm going to click on it. Now in this, inside of the website editor, I'm going to click on exit. This is very important. I'm going to click on save for now. Go to the pages where you want to put the code. Now, I'm going to put on the blog because I wanted to create a blog. The blog will contain the AdSense. I'm gonna choose anyone from here. And I'm going to rename the blog as now on the blog. I'm going to make some few changes before I. So for the blog title, this is gonna be that. Once I'm happy, I'm gonna click on exit. And I'm going to the blog settings. You see the gear icon? I want you to click on it. Go to advanced because go to advanced. You see there's going to be an option that says page header code injection. Now click this. You see, inject custom code or scripts to enhance specific parts of your page, which is going to be this one right here. I'm going to click on copy and paste the AdSense to the injector code in Squarespace. Now go here on the Squarespace, Control V to paste, and then now once you've done that, all you have to do is click on save, and again, it requires at least an hour to see the full effect. Now another option that you can explore is using affiliate ads. One of the best way is called the Amazon Associates. All right, you can place these ads manually on your Squarespace website. All you have to do is sign up, recommend, and earn. All right. You need to sign up for the affiliate program of your choice. And of course, from there, you can get the HTML or JavaScript code like we did on the Google AdSense you want to display. Another option that you can explore is share a sale. Basically, it's like Amazon Associates and Google AdSense, wherein you can place these ads, as you can see it from here, manually on your Squarespace website. Get the affiliate code. All right. Sign up for the program of your choice, and when you've done that, go to the HTML or JavaScript code for the ads you want to display. You see, influencer activation, make a page, e-commerce plugin, which is going to be one of the best options for you. If you click on the monetize your content, which is going to be your blog, all right, and click on the affiliate account creation. And as your site grows, you can offer ad space directly to companies and brands in your niche. This can be a lucrative than relying solely on automated ad networks, as you can negotiate rates. Displaying ads on your site can attract attention from brands looking for collaboration opportunities, such as sponsored posts or product placements. Alright, displaying ads from reputable brands or networks can increase your site's credibility, as visitors may associate your website with well-known brands displayed on your pages. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.